Alright, y'all, so I crashed my bike. I was running trails with my friends like an hour ago or so. My pedal is kind of cooked. My front wheel is definitely not straight whatsoever. My brake calipers kind of cooked. This is bent and the kickstand fell off. The rear wheel is not that good, but it'll work. Nope. Yeah, I bent the frame right. Ow! I bent the frame right there. Probably bent my fork somewhere. Probably popped my tire. Oh, my brake lever is so cooked. Look at this thing. That ain't supposed to happen. Black. Hi. So yeah, that's done for. My shifters are on the wrong side for some reason. I don't even know how. It looks okay, but yeah, my thing is also really loose. So I can just do that with my hand. Nice. Hey, Parks. So yeah, pretty much the aftermath. It's definitely cooked. I think I warped the frame somewhere else too. I don't know where though, cause it feels real. I can't talk, bro. Really weird whenever yeah. I think my not my dealer, but this thing is also done for. It's just falling off right there.